How to use Perplexity AI on mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Perplexity AI on mobile. Using Perplexity AI on mobile, you need to install it. So head over to your respective app store, type in Perplexity on the web address bar or in the search bar, and install Perplexity onto your device. Once you install the Perplexity app onto your device, now what you want to do is you could either sign into your account or create an account. Now click on the open button. You could go ahead and start using, and if you want to create an account, you tap onto the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and click on sign up button. You could go with continue with Google or email or with your SOS, and you could just go ahead and select that out, and this way you'll be able to use Perplexity AI on mobile. Now that you've done creating your account, what you could do is you could simply go ahead and start typing in. You could look, or you could just use Perplexity in order to get help or queries. So this is how you'll be able to use Perplexity AI on mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.